I'm sorry. Chief, I beg you, don't allow police to arrest me. Biko, I will pay back your money, no. Biko, I beg you, Biko.
Okay.
Sir?
Stop breathing.
Ew.
Yeah, I said stop breathing.
Ew.
The 1 year period for you to return my money has elapsed.
Yeah, ma'am.
And I did not see you. Instead, you were hiding here and hiding there away from me until I caught you today.
Mba, I wasn't hiding, no. Machuka, I wasn't hiding. I was just running around to see how I can get your money back. But I promise, I will get your money. Because don't lock me up. Because don't lock me up.
You were running around to see if you can get my money.
That's right. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
I will not put you in police cell.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I will not lock you up.
God will bless you.
You see, when you get to the police, all I want you to do is to sign. Sign that you will hand over your hand to me. And then if in 24 hours you don't bring my money and the interest, I will sell your land and recover my money.
Hey, Fremo, I finished. Hey, had I known, no, I would have borrowed money to do a second burial for my dead father and uncle. Oh, I finished. You go, Chief. You go. Don't take my land.
And you follow your never born.
Shut up.
I will tell you how to stop. Move it. Move. You borrow the money to do second burial for your father and your uncle. Bring back my money. They borrow money from you, they don't want to pay. That is the problem I have with them. But they will always think that I am a very stupid and a wicked man. But I am not wicked, officer. I am only a businessman. They take my money, they don't want to pay. Look at this one. This one. No,
I have the money. I came prepared. No, wait. I have the money.
You have my money?
I came prepared, yes.
Let me see.
Am I crazy? How can I go to police station? The money you borrowed to me, with the interest.
Let me see.
With the interest, oh, yes, it's complete. Yes.
Are you sure this money is complete?
Yes, it's complete.
The one is complete. Hey, Amojama, you have done well. If everybody is doing like you, there will be no problem. Everybody is doing like you, there will be no problem. See, you are waiting for me in my house with my money. Mamozoma, let me ask you something. Let me ask you something because it bothers me. It bothers me what the people are saying about me in this town. It bothers me. Let me ask you, Mamozoma, am I a wicked man?
No, you're not a wicked man.
You see?
You're a good man, yes. Even though I have to go and borrow the money and the interest to pay you for the fear of being locked up. You are still the best man in the whole world.
Wait, Mamozoma. Are you saying that the fear of being locked up is the reason why you went and borrowed money plus the interest in order to pay me the money that you borrowed from me? Therefore, you are saying that I am a wicked man.
Am I crazy? Is that what I said? I'm sorry, because you are a good man. You are a holy Moses. Even you are Elijah of our time. Yes, you are the good man. You are a mother because I am happy. You are a good man. You are a holy man. Holy. I'm very happy for the money you gave me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can I go?
It's all right. You can go.
You man! You dead man! See, look at you. Look at you. If you ever see me in your house, come here to collect money. Use cutlass. Cut off my head.
Oh, is that what you are saying? Okay, don't worry. Officer, did you hear her?
Yes,
All right, anyway, let me tell you. Mama Ozioma, let me tell you. It will not be wrong before you come again to knock on my gate to borrow money. Then I will show you the real Chife Ike in me. You will know me by then. Eh? Ozu, Onyoshi. Officer, let me find something for you.
Yes, sir.
Don't even know how much I will. You see, you have helped me today. You have done many work for me today. I will give you something to surprise you. Okay. Let me. Hey, I don't have change. You
want to make it too, sir?
No, 1,000 naira is too much. That is the interest on the money she borrowed me. How can I give you all the interest? It's business. No, you will be taking it small because there are many people that are owing me in this time. So you will come, take it small, it will be growing. Take this one.
Permission to follow, sir.
Hey. Onyoshi, you want to share my interest with me? Is it your money, thief? All these people in this community, police, all of them, they are thieves. Want to collect my money from me, but I will not allow them. Me and them in this town, they will know that it is me.
Emelonye, you worry too much. Do you want to kill yourself? Are you the only poor boy on earth? You are poor, yes. But I love you just the way you are. I am okay with you. Just calm down. Alright?
Trisha, you don't even get it. You don't get it. Where I come from, there is something called shame. Shame. Ifele. Look at me now. Look at me. I mean, you do virtually everything for me. Everything. You pay my school fees. You buy me clothes. You feed me. Even my rent. Yeah, you pay everything. Go on now. I mean, come on.
Am I complaining? What is it? You are a very brilliant engineering student.
Brilliant old engineering student.
Huh.
See it now. I mean, take a look at me. On an age I can do not just school. My mates have graduated long time ago. All because my parents cannot afford to send me to school. School.
Emelonye, the future is greater than now. You have a bright future. Sometimes you aid me in my studies. Let me tell you something. We shall all graduate from this school and come out in flying colors because you're good. If you die, what happens tomorrow? Please. My love, it's well, okay?
But I need you to do me a favor.
What is it, my dear?
I want you to move out of this place and move to your friend's place. Stop suffering with me here. Just last month you had typhoid. This is just one of them. You had typhoid because of this environment and the kind of water we drink here. It's not fair now. I can't keep suffering you. From what you told me, your friend's place is at least better than here. Move in with her and she needs you more.
She needs me, I know that. But you equally need me as well.
Yes, I do, but I can't stand you being here anymore. You can be visiting. Stay there, you can be coming to see me. Meanwhile, that's your friend. I don't even know her. I've never met her before. Who is she? And what is that thing you say is wrong with her that you never told me about?
Emelonye, you know I tell you everything about me. But this case is different. I took a note never to tell anybody in this school anything about her. The father takes care of me and gives me virtually everything I need. So just forget about it. As for going to live with her, I will call her later today and discuss it.
Okay, that will be fine. So, save me some shame and let me be the only person here I'll be suffering alone. It's better I can't be suffering here than my girlfriend. So,
it's alright. I'll discuss with her then. I'll get back to you. I actually bought this popcorn. Can you have some? You're such a funny man. Come on now.
Baby, I don't know.
You know, when I told my father about it, he was elated.
My dear, you have been my friend from day one in this institution. And I know your predicament. I promised myself that I will always be there with you all the way. You don't have a problem, okay?
Thank you very much, my sister.
You're welcome.
Enough of that. So tell me about your boyfriend. I want to know everything about him and also meet him. So keep talking. Start talking.
No way. Which boyfriend? The way you keep things about you away from people, that's exactly how I'm going to keep my boyfriend away from you people.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're not serious, are you?
I am.
Are you counting me amongst people? Come on, Trisha. We are best friends, like more like sisters. So please tell me, please.
Certainly not, but don't worry. You will see him, but that's on my wedding day.
You're so silly.
Don't worry, you will see him, but it has to be a surprise.
Okay then.
What is it? Why the mood swing?
You know I can't have a boyfriend because I wouldn't want him to run away when I suffer an attack and everybody know about it.
Oh, darling, come off it. Don't say that. Don't spoil this beautiful mood with that. Okay? What do you need a boyfriend for while I'm here? Just get me a boxers and a perfume on a Valentine's Day. Then see me perform very well.
God, Trisha, you're not serious.
I am. Come on. Look at you. Come on, there's nothing wrong. You're fine. Okay? You're fine, fine, fine. Tell me the girl that is more prettier than you in this campus.
Thank you very much, my boyfriend.
You're welcome, my girlfriend.
Dikeh, you said they chased you and your wife out of the hospital because of what?
Yes, sir. They said I should pay 70,000 naira for her treatment to continue, or I take her home to die.
What for me?
All this while I've been going round about looking for a way out. At the end, couldn't succeed. So this evening, they sent us packing.
Okay, go. Hey! In that case, I suggest if you can go to Chife Ike and borrow some money from him.
To Fiagwa! Instead of going to borrow money from Chife Ike, I will suggest you go and borrow money from Ekwensu, the devil himself. One name, your best bet is to take her to Adegechime, the herbal man. His medicines are as effective as orthodox medicine. Believe me. Well, except of course, maybe you want to send for your son, Emelonye, to come and help.
Okay, well, I don't blame you. I'm not using this but my son shouldn't have a little idea of what is happening to the mother. He shouldn't.
Why?
This. You know, he's been fighting tooth and nail to see that he rounds up his degree program. All this while he has been paying his school fees all alone. How he does it is a miracle to me. He has sent me several messages for me to send him money. Since then, come on, I've not done that. I've not sent it to him. More so, he loves the mother to a fault. Telling you.
In that case, they do what Ojukwu suggested.
Yes. Let us take her to Adegechime. I am sure this man will be able to cure this illness. Believe me. Let's give it a trial.
So, because of poverty, I was chased out of the hospital for my inability to pay my wife's hospital bill. Yam. Poverty, why do you pitch tent in my family?
One of my brother is okay. Because it is well. Oh, because
that I cannot even pay my son's school fees.
You look really worried. Ogini, what is it?
Baby, I had a terrible dream.
A dream? What happened in the dream?
I went to play with you by the riverside. Then suddenly, the small river became very mighty. And a fair maiden erupted from there and took you away from me. Then out of frustration, I jumped into the river. And I was attacked by a fish. And I couldn't see you again. I looked for you, I couldn't find you. Then I was about giving up under the river before I woke up.
Well, if you ask me, I would say it's just an ordinary dream. It's nothing for you to be worried about.
No, baby. It is not just an ordinary dream. Baby, we need to solidify our love. We need to get our promised ring, swear on it, and wear it.
Baby, you have nothing to worry about, okay? I am yours and I will always be yours forever. I love you.
You too, but...
It's alright.
Another dream.
Another one. What happened this time?
I saw your mother being carried by women in uniform.
In a coffin. Crying.
How did you know the end part?
Hey. Because I had the same dream.
Jesus.
Hey, now I'm scared. Now I'm scared. I have to go see my mother in the village.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
You want to go with me? No, wait, let me knock.
Hey,
Locked?
it's locked.
Oh, no.
Hey, I hope nothing has happened to my mother.
I hope so.
What could they be? Why is it locked?
I don't know.
Hey, you're back. Yes, I'm back. Where are my parents? My mother.
Your mother is sick. Oh. She's at the Harbour home of Dikeh receiving treatment. Your father has been going around the village looking for money. That's why I'm actually here, because my father sent me with money for them. He broke his leg while riding to this place to assist his friend, your father.
Okay, no problem. Just save the story. Take me there, eh? Take me where my mother is. Adigachi, I greet you. I heard my mother is in your place. You are treating her. Can I see her?
Lady, if you see your mother in her state, you will faint.
Hey, let me faint, but she's my mother. I need to see her and know how she's doing.
Even as a herbal doctor, this is beyond me. Go and tell your people to come and take her away from here. Else, I see her in a coffin.
God forbid. She will never die. Emelonye, please, let's find a way and take Mama to the hospital.
With which money? Which money now? You talk as if you know my condition. I don't have. We are poor. I don't have.
Don't worry. I have some money here meant for my school fees. We can use it and treat her, then we'll talk about it later. Okay? Papa, please. Where can we get a car to convey her to the hospital?
There's a taxi driver living next door here. That next compound.
Who's there?
Yes.
Good afternoon. I was told that a taxi driver lives here.
Yeah, he just left now.
Hey. So where?
The woman rushed in and said that she wants to go to the bank, so they left no.
All these things happening to me now. Why now? At this moment, why?
Hey, we don't need to complain. Let's look for another alternative. We need to save Mama. If it is keke, anything, let's go. Please. Eh?
The golden
Have you looked around the...
Yes, sir.
At the shop?
Odi.
Yeah. Yeah, welcome.
Sir.
This one, your eyes is shining. Do you think you can do this business?
Yes, I can do it.
Okay. If you say you can do it, all right. Chife Ike does not have problem at the point of borrowing. It is at the point of payback that Chife Ike becomes a wicked man. So, you like it, eh? I want you to have it at the back of your mind that your poor father, your very, very poor father, used his shop at Eke Market as collateral for this keke. So if you like, you see all those small girls wearing a quarter gown, half gown, almost naked. If you like, use my keke to carry all of them all over the village. Oh-ho. If you fail to deliver on this agreement, let me warn you, with this your eyes shining like a pussycat, I will use police to collect my keke, collect your father's shop, and any other money in your pocket. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you, there are things to avoid. If you see all those small girls wearing 3/4 gown or half gown that are almost naked, that means remove your eyes. If you carry them, you will not pay me. Then if you go all those places where they sell chicken pepper soup, suya, nkwori, where they drink 10 bottles of beer, and all that. Because if you look there, you will not be able to pay me. Then if you see all those women with the big nyash, Land Cruiser, Megini, because if you look at them too much, you will not be able to pay me. Then we will have problem. Why I'm telling you all this is because I will use police. Kwamaka police. All right, this is the key.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Don't thank me, Don't thank me. I will be the one to thank you if you deliver on this agreement.
Okay, sir.
All right. Akwamaka police.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Did you hear what I said?
Okay, sir.
All those girls that walk about naked, all those girls wearing 1/4, 3/4 skirt, so that you can pay me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, sir.
Police. If you don't bring my money, I will use police. Now, Chife Ike is a good man. When it comes to payment, I become bad man. But I don't mind. Don't pay me my money and you will do what we have.
Honestly, I don't even know it. I don't know what to say. Believe me, I don't know where to start from. You're just an angel. And to think that you used your school fees to pay my mother's hospital bills, as if that was not enough, you donated blood for her. Without you, my mother would have died.
Baby, it's okay. Your mother is my mother. What is yours is mine. What we should be praying for is for her to get well. Okay?
Okay, so now that you've spent your school fees, how will you get it back?
How will you get yours? Same here, I don't know. Don't worry, my love. It's well. Okay? Don't worry.
Emelonye. I wasn't expecting you. After a few days you left. I told you not to worry, that your mother will be fine. Don't bother. My sister is taking care of her in the hospital.
Papa, it's the school, oh. It's the school. They increased our school fees. And the new VC even added some other fees, making the thing outrageous. 160,000 naira.
160,000 naira?
Yes.
Shy!
And if I don't pay it, I will not sit for my exams.
Where on earth will I get 160,000 naira? Your mother, that had been helping me since he fell sick. I've been laboring like a slave to make ends meet. Your only sister, Fulenu, is now a housemaid at Abuja, just because of poverty. Hey. Oh. It took the intervention of the girl you introduced to me that you want to marry to be able to give your mother blood in the hospital and to pay the outrageous hospital bills. Where on earth am I going to raise 160,000 naira? Where? My son, the best thing for me is to die. Let me die. Let me die. I am worthless. Hi!
Papa, don't say that now. Don't say that. I didn't come here to raise your blood pressure. I came back so that we can put heads together and see how we can raise this money. And I have just 1 week. 1 week, else I will not sit for my exams.
Chai! Oh. Hey, what am I going to do? Poverty is bad. Ubiama Joka. Poverty is very bad. Hey.
Amobi, if you want my keke, the only one available is not on daily pay. It's on hire purchase. And you will balance me 800,000 in 6 months. Why are you looking at me like that? If you cannot balance me 800,000 in 6 months, then you better opt out. I will not add 1 day, 1 hour on the 6 months.
Hey, Chief, please. I don't mind. I desperately need to be doing something in this village to save my face. Because I'm not doing anything that gets missing, I am the first person they suspect. Was I going to move in a village? If I'm not full at one movie. If I'm not full at one movie. Please, sir. Please. I don't mind. You see that 800,000? Not 1 day will be added to it. I will pay everything.
Okay.
Even though other people give at higher purchase, some give 600, some give 700. But even if it means me working day and night, I will do it, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, God bless you, sir.
Hey, then if you want it like that, you have to sign.
Yeah, no problem.
Before you sign, you will have to bring a guarantor. Alichi.
Okay. Okay. I will bring an Ichie.
Amobi, sir, you will not call me anyhow Ichie. You will call me an Ichie with dignity.
Ichie in level?
Yes.
I can call no problem, sir. No problem. I will go. But what if I bring the Ichie now? Can we sign it and I take it.
Amobi, if you decide to bring the chair now, if you decide to bring the chair tomorrow, even if you decide to bring the chair next year, Ike no nabe, I am not running away. The only thing that may not be available is the keke. Because as you go now, another person may walk in and he's ready to sign. The keke go. It's business.
Please, I will go and bring the person now. Fast, fast, so that I need to be doing something. Because I'm coming. In short, I'm coming, please. Let me go and call Ichie. Ichie, what? Hey!
I'm in my house. Any customer that come, I sign for you. Won't borrow money, I give you. Return is the problem.
I was just coming from your house.
From my house?
Yes, I decided to, before I saw you here.
What's happened?
I need your help.
My help?
It's very, very, very urgent. Yes, Nai.
Amobi, in fact, you are coming to a wrong person. Yes. As you see me here now, I am full of problems. I'm walking around to look for somebody who can give me money to pay your brother's school fees. Emelonye is back. I'm looking for a way to pay his university school fees, for that matter. So it is not possible for me to give help to another person again.
Yeah, but Nani, it is not your money I require.
Then what is it?
I actually need your signature. That's all.
My signature?
Yes, to guarantee me a keke.
To guarantee you a keke?
Yes, Nani.
From where?
Chife Ike.
What did I hear you say? Chife Ike? Hey! Amobi anyokwa say na eba afiaka ye nu. Amobi. Are you sure you are yourself? Ijikwanyagi. Who doesn't know this man in this our community? Who? Are you the only one? If you are deaf, are you dumb? Are you blind? Who lured you to him? Why? Why would you go there? He wants your head. What is wrong with you? Look for another person. I can't go there.
No, it's because of the keke. I need to be doing something in this village. Come on, I'm probably come join even Malaro. At least if I can get the keke, it's something.
Is he the only one with the keke?
Well, nah, you need to help me.
We can source for keke from another way.
Now, this one is, he said I should bring a chief with level. And you're a chief with level.
Then
you have to help me.
He's looking for somebody to lock up in the police cell. With level or no level. I know him better than you.
Nai, I am promising you, I will not falter or put you into any problem. I will make sure I meet up to every agreement with him so that you will not enter into trouble. Let me earn a living now, Nai. Please, Nai, remember you, my late mother is your wife's sister.
Amon, is it because you know I love my wife so much? Or because you know the help your mother was rendering to this family before she died? Is that why?
No, sorry. Sorry, don't be offended, but let's go.
Amobi, let me tell you. That is his ploy to get me. Because he wants me to sleep in the police cell. Which I never tried all my life. That is it.
I've promised you. I will make sure I meet up. Yeah? Now, he will give the keke to, that was what he told me, and that's why I'll be running all that skater to meet you. Let's go. Please, Nai, please, let's go. Let's go, please.
Don't try to do this thing because of
Yes, thank you. Thank
you want to force me into doing something that is not my mind.
Don't mind me. Woma. Amobi.
Sir?
You brought a man of integrity.
Chief with level.
Let him just sign here. You sign here. And the keke is all yours.
Chife Ike,
Before I append my signature here, will I be allowed to say something?
Dikeh, talk now. You are my kinsman. Talk.
The only reason I will append my signature here is because his late mother is a sister to my beloved wife. The wife I so much love. If not for that, I wouldn't do this. Because the load upon my own head already is too much. I wouldn't like to add more to it. And I wouldn't like to have anything to do with the police. Nothing should connect me with the police.
No, God forbid. God forbid.
Hey! Dikeh, let me assure you, police will not come into this. You see this business that we have done today, police will never come into it. Why? Because he will deliver. Yes. As long as he delivers, I will deliver. Police will not come into it. So, you just sign here, then put to date. Fine. And you, let me advise you like I advise every young man that does business with me. Because I know where the problem comes from. You know, you young men, once you just have something that is giving you small money, your body will start to wake up. It will start to jump about. Let me tell you, for you to deliver, if you see all these girls that are wearing a half gown, 3/4, bomb shot, with their breast dancing without control, imagine ibupu iru maka police, so that you will be able to deliver my money. 2, if you are driving past all those places where they do suya, chicken pepper soup, fried rice, jollof rice, where they drink 5 bottles, 6 bottles, 7 bottles, 15 bottles, imagine ibupu iru akwa maka police maka ndogi. Then when you are driving, you see all these women, madam, with ugunwanyo were. Degede. Imagine maka ndogi akwa maka police, so that you will deliver my money. This is the key. It is parked in the garage. This one will open the garage. You bring out the keke. Imagine ibupu iru. Hey, Mazi Dikeh. Chief Dikeh, what is this problem that is hanging on your neck that you talked about?
No, just forget about that. It's my problem. I will find a way to solve it.
Hey, Mbano, we are kings, man. Even if you don't want me to help you, at least you can still tell me. Let me know.
Well, let's go.
Talk.
My son, Emelonye, just came back from the university today. And he says they asked him to bring 160,000 naira for him to write his exams. You can imagine. And the worst is that he just, within a period of 7 days, 1 week, coupled with the problem of my wife. My wife has been in sick bed for long now. Oh, that is actually the situation I am in. And I've been going around looking for a way out where in this whole world I can get that kind of amount of money. No way. So I was walking around looking for a way out when I met him. And he asked me to come here, to accompany him here.
Let me ask you, that your son, What course is he studying in the university?
My son is reading mechanical engineering.
Huh? You have a son that is studying mechanic engineer? That is what this community need. That is what we need. Dikeh, tell your son to come and see me tomorrow. Tell him to come and pick the money. You don't believe me? Tell him to come. Let him come.
Sweetie, I won't completely blame you for spending your fees on his mother's health. You did what you did for love. I might not know him or his family, having grown up with my late mother in the city, but I know we are from the same village.
Really? Yeah. You never told me you're from Akama.
I'm from Okara Akama, to be precise. I told you I'm from Okara, but Okara is a village in Akama.
Wow, I'm so delighted to hear this. The truth is that he is my world, just the way you're my sister. The two people that means the world to me are from the same village. Am I not the luckiest girl on earth?
It's okay, sweetie.
That makes me feel more at home.
It's okay, sweetie. As for your fees, I'll talk to my father. I'll collect some money from him and give to you so you can settle your fees.
Why are you this nice now?
One more thing, please. I wouldn't want you to discuss about me with your guy, especially as it concerns my health, please.
No, I will never do that. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you.
Okay, good night.
Good night. I can't even sleep. God.
No, that was what he said. Yes, that I'm so afraid of him. He has connections with the police, the army, even the navy. Anyone who steps on his toes gets crushed. Doesn't have mercy at all. I know he has money. Yes. But I don't want us to borrow any money from him.
Papa, see, at this point, honestly, I do not agree with you. I do not agree with you. Let us be honest. Let's call it spade a spade, Papa. I am not of man. You know, I am not of man. Anywhere we can get help from, let us get help is help. Papa, that's the truth. For me, I will go and see him tomorrow and know what he has to say. Because my engineering degree is more important than anything else.
Yes, I know. I know very well. But Chife Ike is one that anyone should be afraid of. His offer is better jumped over.
For me, I will not jump over. I will not jump. I'm telling you now. Okay. You said he asked you the course I'm studying in school.
Yes.
Yeah. That means he knows the value. He's a big man. He knows the value. He knows that when I finish and I become an engineer, you know what it will mean? You know how successful I'll become. I will not jump over. Oh, Papa, don't worry. You have nothing to worry about. I promise you, I will never do anything that will harm our family. Okay? But I will see him.
So you said. So until you see him tomorrow, we shall know the outcome. As an Afro society.
Trisha, what happened last night?
My dear, you passed out and just recovered. But because I know your ailment, I made sure I took care of you very well until you were stabilized.
Thank you very much, my sister. Thank you for always being there for me.
You're most welcome, my dear. What are friends for? But listen, you need to see a doctor. You do.
I know. But first, I want you to go and see my father.
Why don't we do it this way? We prepare for lectures, then after school, we'll go to the hospital. Then I'll take a drop from the hospital straight to your father's house. Then I'll tell him how you had an attack last night, but you're good now. How is it?
Thank you very much. That would be great.
Alright. Okay then. Why don't you get prepared?
Thank you very much, Trisha. You're my friend, my sister, my protector, my night nurse, my everything.
You're beginning to talk too much. Why this whole praises? You're my sister, of course. You don't need to thank me when I do anything for you. You don't need to. I love you, okay? Okay, let me quickly go and make breakfast for us. Then you get prepared. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm ready.
Trisha. God bless the day I met you.
And that is why I brought this trip. To thank you. You have always been there for me. You understand? And, okay, just today alone, I've been able to make 3,000 naira. Almost 3,000. And I know if I continue with this speed, like this, before you know it, I will pay. Finish the payment. Thank you very much, Dikeh. God bless you.
I will accept this drink. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much too.
It is said that one good turn deserves another.
Yes.
I'm grateful. I will equally advise you, please, for our own good, for the sake of police, make sure you meet up with every aspect of that agreement of the contract you had.
No problem,
Do you hear me?
Dikeh, I promise you. I will not default in any way. Trust me. Because I know how deadly that man, Chife Ike, is.
Oh, Mama.
I know how wicked he is.
Good.
But with TC, there will is.
Why not make
using long spoon with him. But I know how many people in the prison now who have gone to jail because of him.
Because of him.
Because of his dubious character.
I am happy you are seeing it yourself now. It's okay, man. Oh, yeah. It's okay. You should be going back to work.
Okay, nice.
But I will still have to add.
Okay.
As you go out now, please, carry the women and men. Those women and men who can give you good money. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Stop carrying all those yoppie girls with pointed breasts and who will go at your back and be rubbing their breasts at your back. And at the end of the day, they will go without giving you money.
Aye.
Ever
since you are funny. Since I started driving this keke,
yes,
I have learned to. I will continue to. And I will forever boop you when it comes to all those.
Because
police. Yes, let me be on my way.
God bless you.
Thank you, Dikeh.
That's right.
I know. Work hard, pray to God. Tomorrow will go better. Possible work hard, pray to God. A chica come on. Over Poverty go tear your cloth after he buff you with shame. He go leave you naked, he go leave you helpless. He go turn around, try to plead your kiss. Some go pretend to care, while others no one here. Like a cigarette, he go dey burn you small small. He go thief your peace of mind. He go slap you for face, kick you for back. You go see what thing you want to.
This is a check of 200,000 naira. Pay your school fees. And then the remaining money you put it in your pocket. Pocket money.
Chief, 200,000 naira. For... Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. God will bless you, sir.
Stand up, my begin.
Chief, you do not know what you have done for me.
I know what I have done.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God will bless you, sir. I don't know what you've done for me, sir. God will bless you. Thank
not
you.
To worry, not to worry.
Hey! Hey! Let me not get too carried away and forget to ask. Chief, the payback condition, deadline for payback, tell me. Please, let me not be carried away. When am I supposed to pay back?
Which money?
To you now. The money you just gave me for my school fees. When am I supposed to pay back?
Hey, Emelonye, you are not to pay him back. It is your money now.
You said I will not pay
you
back.
You will not pay.
It's not a loan.
Henceforth, it is no longer my money, it is your money. Just come out in flying color as engineer.
Hey.
Start to be going. Start and go. You will not pay back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chief.
Just pass your exam,
Okay, sir.
You must come out engineer.
Let me show my father.
Make sure you come out as engineer. Flying color.
Walk to school?
I don't think so. I feel like dropping dead this minute.
Oh no! Don't say that. How can you possibly say such a thing? You will not die.
Trisha, why me? Why me?
Why will I live? Why must I live with this terrible sickness all my life? Why will I be like every other girl? Hey. How long will I keep having this attack and hiding it? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, my sister. Nothing will happen to you. You will be fine, alright? Okay, see what happens, You're going to sit down here properly while I go outside and get a taxi. We are going straight to the hospital. No more school today. Just keep telling yourself that you are fine. Nothing is going to happen to you. Okay? Please, don't cry. When you cry, I'm broken, alright? Just get your body. Sorry, my sister, sorry. Just manage and just sit down. Okay? Manage. You'll be fine, I'm coming now. Sorry.
You must return that check to Chife Ike. Return it.
Papa, my school fees.
Yes.
I should return it.
Yes.
Why?
Chife Ike, I know, can never give anybody his kobo for free of charge, without police, without oath, without agreement. No. At the end of the day, I'm sure he will arrest you with the police. And you will be made to work for him for years. And he will make more millions of naira on you. Eh? You must return that check. You must return it. This man is evil and has no free gift for anyone.
I listened to Chife Ike. I spent some time with him. We talked. I didn't sense any evil intentions in his words or actions. None.
Emelonye, though you are in the university, but you are still a small boy to me. Do you hear it? All my hope in life is on you. Eh? You must return that check. Return that check. Instead of taking that Greek gift from Ike, I better go to Ojukwu shrine to borrow money. If I cannot raise money for you to continue your school, you better stop where you are and learn trade. It will be better for me. Do you hear me?
Go to the back.
Why now?
Go and sit at the back.
This way I want to sit so that I will not fall. I want to hold somebody.
Like Kekem Muakwa. Kila gwa maybe yano. If you want to hold anything, hold iron. Don't you know this keke is under contract with Chife Ike? Yeah? Look, any act of breast brushing so that I will forget my money or reduce the money, I cancel it with Holy Ghost fire.
Yeah, Ross, you the door. No, what's up? You the for my hand though.
For your hand? Where is the hand? This one? Me don't know what's up. No problem. Oh, okay. Enemies of progress. I know your type. You will not get me. People like you will not. Don't you know this keke is under contract with Chife Ike? That the fear of Chife Ike is the beginning of wisdom in this village? You want to sit down and be BBing me, brushing me? If you want to sit at the back and hold iron, not me. If not, go your way, I'll pick another person. Nonsense.
Ross, now what for you?
The joke is here for?
Now what for you?
Nonsense.
This did not make sense, so.
Make it not make sense. You get the joke is here, no? It don't make sense. Nonsense.
Move this thing.
Come mad.
Move now, move this thing now. Move this thing.
Tracie.
Sir.
Make sure you don't tell anybody about my daughter's sickness. You hear?
Of course not, sir. I will never do a thing like that. I have always kept it a secret.
And then, secondly, don't panic. Don't panic. I have money. Tracie, you won't understand. I have money. I have made money. I have property everywhere. I have land, I have house, I have transport. I have money. See, let me tell you. All these things I have gathered is for her. I don't have another child. Let me point it out. That sickness will not kill her.
Amen.
Hear me? Anything the sickness wants, I will give it to it. In fact, let me tell you, if it requires that I carry her to abroad, America or London, I will do it. I will do it.
But sir, the doctors are demanding for 220,000 naira for the therapy. And thereafter they will have to give her drugs that will take her for at least 3 months.
220,000 naira only. Hey, Tracie, if you are talking to me, you have to put only after every money you have mentioned. Because I have money. And put 220,000 naira only. Look, let me tell you, I have money. One idiot borrowed 400,000 naira from me last year. And he could not pay. So I seized this land and sold the land for 1.2 million. I have money. You see, I will give you 300,000.
No, I demanded for 220.
You will give the doctor his 220,000 naira. Then you will give Chika 40,000 naira. You will also keep 40,000 naira for yourself. And use it to buy all this thing that you people, you know, that make you look beautiful.
Thank you very much, sir.
I am thinking of something. I am thinking of buying you people a good saloon car to be carrying you people about. And also next week, I am going to send someone to bring more money for you people.
Sir, thank you so much. You've done everything. God bless you.
See, the only thing I want you to do is to always be there for her. Take care of her. See, let me tell you, Tracie, I know the sickness that my daughter is seeking. I know it. And that sickness can never kill her. It can never.
Sir, you don't need to complain too much. Chika is like a family to me. And she will always be. You don't have a problem.
Ezibo Mado. Hey. See, Ezibo Mado. Let me tell you, Tracie, I will do something for you that your imagination cannot imagine. I tell you, I will do it.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you once again.
Therefore, you will go and eat.
Do you have food in the house?
Yes. They always come and cook for me and then they go. It's only me that live in this big house. Let me tell you, that sickness my daughter is seeking will never kill my daughter because I have the money to take care of it. Let me write out the check.
Thank you, sir. 220,000.
No, I said 300,000. Exactly. What are you talking? Only.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Mama, you
Yes. But not after the only land I have had been sold by Chife Ike according to the agreement I made with him. You know, after borrowing 400,000 naira to perform a second burial for my uncle and father, hoping that I will raise money. But that action, I regret it.
Me, I'm even lucky. Immediately I heard you were arrested. I had to run around to borrow money to pay him back the money I borrowed from him.
Borrow what?
I borrowed to Mamuka and Wanyaman. They are still on the run because they were not able to pay back the money they borrowed from him. It's a pity you've lost your only land because of the money you borrowed from him.
The worst and painful thing, Nim, is that I foolishly, I foolishly used this money to do a second burial for a long gone and dead uncle and father. Thinking I will raise money, I will make profit. On a profit, after money is gone. My only land, gone. I am now poor out. I'm poorer than the church rat. Just leave me. Let me just wallow in my misery. That's what I get from my chi. It's my lot.
Life is more important than money.
Life, once. How about life? Because
Emelonye, You mean your father instructed that you return the check?
That was my father's instruction. He said I should return your check, your money, unless you spell out the payback condition and exactly when.
But Emelonye, I told you there is no condition.
My father does not believe so. He said he knows you very well, that there is no free gift from you. So, I'm really very sorry, sir. You've done well for me. I appreciate it, sir. It pains me that I have to do this, but I can't take it, sir. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Emelonye.
Sir.
I know why your father is afraid. But I want him to know that with you, it will always be different. Bring him to me so that I will douse his fears. Emelonye, so that you can spend your money without being afraid on your education. I know you may have had one or two things somebody may have said about me in this village. Some people even think that I am a devil. These are the people who come collect my money as loan, and they will not want to pay back. Therefore, I deal with them. But Emelonye, behind this hard man that you are seeing, is a good heart, oh. So not to worry. Go and call your father. Let me talk to him. You hear me?
Okay, Chief. Let me go and call.
Call him. So this man wants this boy to drop out of school because of money. University engineer. Mbano. Instead, I sell all my land.
Thank you very much, my dear friend.
Dear friend? What happens to the sister that you normally call me?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. You know what? I'm very grateful to you. In fact, I'll be eternally grateful to you.
My head is big. Come on, my friend. You know I love you so much. And I can do anything to make you feel happy. I will always be here with you through thick and thin. Alright?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So, tell me the story.
Oh, I don't need to tell you. I'll just play the video for you to see. Okay? Very interesting. Yeah. It's coming up.
Hi, Dalu. Chioma.
Sir.
The daughter of my good friend, Nakude. You're welcome. Thank you. So how is your father doing?
He's fine now. He sent me to tell you that he's back. I told him we came to check on him earlier, so he sent me.
Okay, please tell him I will soon be with him.
Okay, now.
I have some palm fruits at the back of my house that I'm going to cut. So as soon as I finish, I will be there.
Okay, now.
It's okay.
Bye-bye.
Till I come, alright?
Okay, sir.
Fortune will always favor the brave. So I will never give up, no matter the time. Life will come play you wild. Love will come play you gentle. The more you look good, the less you see.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine.
You are sure? Okay.
Yes. Okay. But this is people like you. My Oga gave me standing order that I should always book you. What else? Anyway, who are you and where are you going to?
Oh, I'm going to Madam Coco's shop behind that postal agency.
Madam Coco?
Yes, now.
Wait. No. I'm not going. It is people like you. Because of people like you, my Oga gave me a standing order of Goodwill. I cannot go to that place because all the evil things are happening there. But I can only go if you will pay me 1,000 naira.
1,000 naira?
Yes.
I should pay you 1,000 naira? You are mad. How many of us are here? Other keke, they charge me 200 naira, even 150. What is your problem? Are you mad? Please take me.
Hey! Wait. Take you where? Look at yourself. You alone, you are 5 people. They charge you. In short, you are even complaining of 1,000. I was supposed to charge you 1,005. The things that my Oga warned me about, the 3 cardinal things my Oga warned me about happens in that place. 1, all the pino girls, you find them there. 2, those people that eat nkwobi, drink beer, that is where you find them. 3, then the Ubuwa Yoweri, like your own, and even bigger than your own, they are there. But if you pay me 1,005, I will take the risk because I will have to balance my Oga. What if I take you to that place and my Oga sees me? He will take my keke, and that is the end.
If you don't want to carry me, tell me. I'm not here for insults.
If you don't want to pay me 1,005, tell me. Let me enter my keke and sleep.
You are stupid. Ewu. Take your time, take your time.
You didn't see your size?
Listen, there are other keke drivers here. Okay. Nonsense.
No problem. Hey! Thank God! You would have finished me. Yes. Just carry this problem and go. Carry the problem and go. Thank God. God bless you, sir. Chineke. You wanted to damage my keke. Change up tomorrow. I will go miru. Fiak. Hey! Okay, you going?
See, Papa, I need you to follow me to Chife Ike's place. He said I should call you. Because left to me, it's not as if I'm disrespecting you, but if you ask me, Papa, I will take that money and sort out my school fees. This man is not the way we paint him to be now. It's not.
Never! Never! I'm going to Nakude, Choma's father, who will take me to any RC that will help me with a loan. If I fail to pay, let me die.
Father, stop saying this thing
but
now.
I want you to leave.
I will leave. But stop saying this thing. How can you even open your mouth and be saying such things? That you want to go and collect money from Shrine. Don't you know it's dangerous? When we already have a good man who has given me this money. See, Father, if I am truly your son and you really, really want the best for me, it is simple. You will follow me to Chife Ike's place so that both of you will discuss this thing man to man.
Thank God I let you. Thank God I've seen you. Idikwando, you are alive and this thing is about to happen.
What is about to happen?
I met Dikeh and his son, Emelonye, going to Chife Ike's house. From their countenance, it shows they are going there to go and borrow money from that evil man.
Dikeh has problem.
Amam, Kike.
If it takes them going to the devil to borrow money and solve their problem, then so be it.
So, you support him going to borrow money from the devil? Knowing what Chife Ike has done to a lot of people in this community, including myself?
You are here killing yourself. I know by now they must have gotten the money.
Ashi, I will not allow that. Never. I am going to report him to his best friend, Nakude. I know Nakude will stop him from putting his hand into the trap of the devil. I will not allow it to. I am going.
Welcome. Come back. You are drinking medicine on someone's headache. Ina ngukwago. Nenwa aruna yonyo so. Akochanga.
Dikeh, like I told Emelonye, this money does not require any signature or agreement or even collateral. It is free. This money is for his school.
And I say no.
And I say yes, Papa. Biko, with due respect, Father, I say yes. You have heard the chief now. What else do you want him to say? And you're still doubting. He has made it clear that if this money is coming with no collateral, he doesn't want anything from me.
Ask him.
Papa, please, Biko, let me remind you, it's my education we are talking about. My education. My mates have gone to school long ago. Father, we have a problem. And God has sent a good man to solve that problem. Case closed. And you are still creating another problem where there should be none.
Emelonye, my son, just read your book and come out in flying color. Finish.
Amen. Amen. Thank you. Chief, very good man, Chief. My God will bless you. My God will bless you. Doors will continue to open for you. Anything you touch will turn to gold. Thank you, Chief. Don't bother yourself, Chief. Don't worry, I will work hard. I will study hard and I will come out with very good grades.
Final finish. Emelonye, final finish. And before you go back to school, come and see me. You are my friend, though. Come and see me so that I will give you something bigger.
Chief, thank you once again.
Take care.
Of course. Don't just forget. Let us go. Chief, thank you.
Ideke mwamaze.
Wait, baby. What are you trying to say?
Wow! That is great! What? You don't want to talk about the person? But why? Anyway, that's your business. Someone also helped me raise money to pay for my fees. It will complete soon and I will pay. No, baby, don't even try it. Don't even try to ask me who the person is because I won't tell you. Yes, you started it. Please. I know that. I know you love me, huh? And you know I love you too. And I miss you.
Trisha, lovebird, please. Can I get some sleep? Please.
I'm sorry, my darling. I forgot you were sick. Okay? So I won't make noise again.
Please. Hey. Coconut head. Are you listening to me? My girlfriend is not feeling very well. And she doesn't like the fact that I'm making noise. Please. See what happens, You would go now and we'll talk tomorrow. No. Cool. You too love me, Joe. This is your love too much. Okay. Yes, I love you too, honey. Kiss. Alright. Is it not enough for you? Go now.
Look, that it was higher purchase. I was like, what is this? In Abani. In Abani. Ojukwu?
Yes. For this week.
10,000. What is your clue? Hey. Think bye-bye. For you to be able to deliver this money every week, hey, Thank you, Chief. You see, my advice is working. Yes. If so that you can deliver. Even for Umaka my chicken suya Thank you, sir. Makandogo. Maka police. Police can judge. Iko gaderom. Oh number.
Chairman. I think I can leave you here.
Yes, I have to go.
Please, if you get home, greet your dad for me.
Okay, Nai.
Tell him I am very, very grateful and thankful for the food and the money.
Okay. Yes. So bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Let me remind you.
Please, I want to beg you. Go home straight.
Yes, sir.
No, it's not jokes. Go home straight. Don't behave like other girls.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye. Good night. Grateful for you.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Chief, I cashed the check you gave to me successfully. And I'll be going back to school tomorrow. Okay. So I came to inform you like you said I should.
Emelonye, you are a good boy.
Thank you, Chief.
Hey, Emelonye, let me ask you. What will you do if I give you more money?
Hey. Ha. Chief, you know, you said it the other day. You said if I come back, you give me bigger money. Yes. But hearing it now, I'm starting to get jittery. I'm beginning to...
Emelonye, I am a man of surprises.
I see.
Okay. Emelonye, wait, let me give you the surprise of your life. Let me give you the surprise of your life. Yeah. But don't tell anybody, Don't tell anybody, Keep it to yourself. Emelonye.
Yeah, Chief.
I like you. I like you too. Wait. Let me surprise you.
Chief. I like you too.
You will see what I will do to you now. Hey.
Why did you keep me worried all this while? Where have you been?
Papa, see, I heard they go.
How?
The war is completely over.
When did you start drinking like this? And what do you mean by Bego? That the war is over?
Hey! Emelonye?
My son, where do you get this from? What's the source of this?
Papa, apart from my school fees, which I now have in abundance, you see, from this money, I will pay Mama's hospital bills, give you some to start business, and then I will use the rest to pay for a very good place and move out of that ghetto where I stay in school.
Look, I will not touch this money except you tell me the source of it. If you have started robbery, I will know. Then I will report you straight to the police by myself. Tell me, where did you get this money from?
Papa, not to worry. One day you will understand.
Understand what? Come, Emelonye, we are not stepping into that house, except you tell me the source of this money. Tell me where you came from.
No problem, Papa. Since you say I will not step in, let me step out.
Oh, tomorrow will go better. Possible work hard, pray to God, but you gotta come out. Poverty go tear your clout after he buffy you with shame. He go leave you naked, he go leave you helpless. He go down around, try to plead your kiss. Some go pretend to care, while others no one here. Like a cigarette, he go there burn you small small. He go to your
my love. How are you?
I'm fine, very fine. How are you?
Baby, I'm not fine. Someone said he saw you packing your things and I was wondering if the landlord sacked you.
Oh, nobody sacked me. I just found a very good place and I decided to move out.
What did you say? How did you get the money? Did you rob a bank?
Of course not. I did not rob a bank. But miracles still happen.
Baby, you're hiding something from me. Where did you get the money from?
And you are also hiding something from me. Who's your friend?
Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you. That's the almighty Chika I always tell you about.
Oh,
yes,
really?
she's my best friend. And right. Chika, my love.
Nice. I finally get to meet you. She's been hiding you for so long.
Same here. And you, Trisha. I finally got to be the love of your life.
Exactly. Okay, fine. Baby, can we then go inside?
Yeah, sure. But the room is in a mess because I'm actually moving out. Hope you don't mind. Yep.
Can you go?
Yes, sure. I still have
And love is a beautiful sign. Love is patient. Love is commitment. Love is care. Love.
It will not happen. Because of 300 naira. What have I done? Have I planted in delivery to you? Mazi, thank God. Thank God I met you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What's the problem?
It's Chife Ike.
Chife Ike again?
Chife Ike.
What happened?
He collected my keke because of 300 naira.
300 naira?
300 naira.
Why?
Okay. You know the normal 10,000 naira I used to balance him every week?
Yes.
I've been balancing him. Since I started driving this keke, I have been balancing him. Okay. The normal, I brought the 10,000 naira. But because I worked morning and night to make sure I meet up and balance up, yes. I developed an area. I took 300, only 300 naira. 300 naira from inside the 10,000 to buy drug. Will it be better if I died? Okay, now I use it to buy drug. I took it to him. Instead of him he took it 9,700 and took it again from me. This is somebody I'll be balancing every week.
What?
Took it again from me.
Wait. Did you explain it this way to him?
I did. Oh. I did. He still collected the 9,700 naira remaining. And the keke.